Make a great choice today with the 2015 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, trailering package, traction control, steering wheel controls, cruise control, console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.